So you want to be a cryptocurrency investor or you want to be a professional trader? You tried before, you failed because you don't understand why, because they scammed you, because you went and followed the next crypto project was supposed to go to 1000%, make you millions of dollars, and all of that crashed because you're doing everything wrong. You want to be a professional, consistent cryptocurrency trader? Then stay with me until the end of the video because I'm going to reveal to you the step to start to become a professional cryptocurrency trader. Hi guys, my name is Andrea, professional stocks and crypto trader. Today I'm going to reveal to you some steps that I will take if I had to start my journey to become a professional trader. I've been trading for roughly 10 years, investing in the stock market, lately more into the crypto market, and there are some important steps that you have to follow if you want to be successful. Otherwise, you're pretty much gonna go and give all the money away, because remember that the market, guys, the market is rigged. The market is manipulated by some institutions, some entities. I had to go back. If I had to start, what I will do first of all will be to learn technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study of charts. Basically, through the study of technical analysis, you're gonna be able to understand if a specific crypto is gonna go up, is gonna go down, what is the probability of a reversal. Because remember that trading, it's all about statistics and probability. It's not about following the latest news. It's not about thinking that there is a good project that is gonna go to the moon and all of that. It's about having a chart in front of you and follow the chart. But let me give you an example. And here we go, guys. What you need to understand, this is technical analysis, the study of charts, of candlesticks. You need to be able to master all of this. If you don't have a proper understanding of these charts, how are you gonna be able to understand when to buy and when to sell? Because I can tell you that through technical analysis, you're gonna be able to understand, as an example, to go and, for example, sell at this point over here, to buy at this point over here, and so on. And it's all the same with all the other cryptocurrency coins. You can see that over here, for example, another here, probably you can sell over here, you can buy at this point over here. And if you understand how to do all of that, then of course you're gonna be making money. And the question you're gonna be asking me right now, how do I learn technical analysis? Well, there are a few ways you could actually learn technical analysis. Number one is to find a proper book, a book which is going to give you the basics of understanding chart patterns, candlesticks, indicators, of course, to make you master these techniques over here. But on the other hand, what you can do as well, if I had to give you a recommendation, I would say to buy the book called Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John Murphy. Link in the description below. This book is probably the most reliable books when it comes to trading and technical analysis, because it's going to explain to you from A to Z all the possible technical indicators, chart patterns, and so much more. But on the other hand, if you feel like you want something more interactive, more educational, where you can go back and forth, where somebody's going to explain to you like you're a 5-year-old child, I also recommend you my course, the FTA Pro course. I'm the founder of a company called Freedom Trading Academy, where we educate people from zero, from beginners to professional traders. And you can see over here, we have everything that you need to succeed in the cryptocurrency market. For example, our courses are designed to really give you all the advanced techniques in order to succeed in trading. We have the crypto course, we have also the stocks course as well, which includes all the ways you can actually trade and you can win in the cryptocurrency in the stock market. And on the other hand, also we have our Discord group, the FTA VIP community, which is fantastic as well, where only for $99 per month, cancel anytime, you can pretty much join a community of like-minded traders where we discuss trading, we post trading calls every single day. We are also making insane results. You can see over here, this is all our results from our professional members, and you can see there is green after green after green. Why? Because we go very in depth when it comes to technical analysis, heat mapping, order flow, and anything you can think of, probably something you probably never heard before. And this is how professional traders work. So If you're interested in really starting your trading journey in a right way, what you can do, you can of course purchase this book from John J. Murphy, join my Power course, come to the VIP group. I can tell you, you will not regret it, because we are gonna guide you on what to do and what not to do, and we're gonna teach you every single day something new about technical trading, as well as investing, as well, and so many other things. And the other thing is the point number 2. If you want to be a professional, a successful cryptocurrency trader or a stocks trader, you need to learn macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is the study of macroeconomic events which are going to potentially influence the price of a certain cryptocurrency. I'll give you an example. Let's say, for example, right now that the unemployment rate is going to go through the roof. Okay, from tomorrow, there's going to be a crisis and the unemployment rate is going to go up to 8%, 9%. I can tell you straight away that people, the first thing they're gonna do is to sell their Bitcoin and crypto. Why? Because it's a risk asset, and risk assets are sold straight away because people have to pay for money, for grocery, in case there is a financial crisis. But not only this, guys, whenever you learn macroeconomics, you're going to understand all the possible correlations between stocks, crypto, the US dollar, the other currencies, and then you're going to be familiar with things, for example, like GDP, PPI, PCE. Right now you think I'm talking Japanese, but in reality, all of this is very important to understand because, for example, if you're going to have an economic data which is going to show you some weakness into the economy, then crypto is going to go down. But on the other hand, if interest rates are going to go down, what does it mean for crypto? What does it mean for the stock market? What does it mean for gold? And so much more. And of course, guys, in our FTA Pro course, we talk about this a lot. It's very important. And if you want to become a master in this game, if you want to trade, know when to buy and sell, but also to invest properly, you need to have a sound understanding of macroeconomics and all of that. Because otherwise, if you're just going to go and listen to your financial advisor who's going to tell you, just invest in this company because the future is good and in 10 years you might make some money. This is like really gambling your money away. I'd rather go to the casino and go black or red instead of doing that, because you're giving money to somebody who doesn't even understand what he's doing, doesn't have any knowledge in macroeconomics, in technical analysis, and he's just telling you, oh, it's gonna go up because. Great example, everybody was so fixated about this renewable energies that the green energy, lithium is gonna go through the roof. Let me just show you the chart of lithium 1 second. Everybody was so pumped up. This was in 2021. They say, oh, lithium is gonna go through the roof. Guys, we went from 2.67 to 0.22. This is a mining company of lithium. So what I'm trying to say is, don't try to follow these financial advisors who are just not advising you correctly. You need to learn every possible correlation with gold, materials, stocks, and that's what we teach. But also through technical analysis, you're going to be able to understand all of that. So macroeconomics and also technical analysis. Number 3, very important, is trading psychology. Trading psychology is the ability, whenever you're placing a trade, to understand and to master a thing called fear and greed. Fear is whenever the market is going down and you're panicking, you're going to sell everything, you're going to be so scared, and that's what you don't want to do. Sometimes whenever there is fear in the market, what you want to do is to actually buy, because everybody's selling, everybody's scared, and as I said before, the market is controlled by institutions. And what they're going to do, once you're going to panic, sell, they're going to buy from you. And on the other hand, whenever you're going to see all the news saying that Bitcoin is going to go to $100,000, the stock market is invincible, that's when it's going to be a good time to sell, because everybody's going to buy at the top and you should be scared. As Warren Buffett says, buy when there is blood on the street, not when everybody is super euphoric. So trading psychology is actually super important. And number 4, guys, which is also important, is important to learn all of this, put it together, and develop a strategy. A strategy is non-discretionary methods that you're going to apply to your trading system. So you learn technical analysis, you learn macroeconomics, you now master fear and greed and trading psychology. You are a master in that. What you have to do is to find a way, is to find what suits you and nobody else. Because once you're gonna be able to find a strategy that is gonna enable you to understand when it's time to sell, when it's time to buy, and really works for you, that's when it's gonna be making lots of money. Of course, I can show you my strategy. If you wanna watch it, like there is a link. It's called the FTA $1 million strategy, which enabled me to turn 200K into $1 million in just 1 year. You can utilize my strategy, but what I like to see from my members is to develop their own. So it's very important that you find your way, you find what works best for you, and don't listen too much to all these trading gurus who come to you and say that they have the recipe, the right strategy, the holy grail that is going to make you millions of dollars. Okay, guys, those are the 4 things, but I would like also to tell you before we finish today, something to be very careful about. Guys, to become a professional crypto trader, if you want to start properly, do not listen to the news. The news are rubbish. The market moves only because market makers and institutions say so. They manipulate the market the way they want. So remember, do not listen to the news. Because to give an example, when the Bitcoin ETF was released, everybody was pumping, was so excited, and then the market tanked 20%. So remember that all of these news are pretty much created for you to buy, for you to sell. But what you have to do as a professional, consistent trader, you need to stay away from the news and only look at the charts and, of course, macroeconomics. That's going to be the most important thing that you can do. And second of all, guys, do not listen to those who are telling you, the fake gurus who are telling you, for example, whenever you're investing in crypto or trading crypto, that this altcoins is a good project. Now, let me be very clear on that. Altcoins are just rubbish. Are rubbish. They go up and down. They can go up 80%, down 90%. You need to be able to pretty much ride the wave and then to dump them, because they're always going to go like this. So if you're gonna marry some of your coins, if you listen, some people probably told you that is a good project. It's not. It's just rubbish. Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Solana, maybe they probably have some use case. They're probably good. The other altcoins are just rubbish. So if you're not gonna sell at the right point, if you don't understand when to sell at the right point, you are going to get slaughtered. And you can talk to people in 2021, 22, where they bought all these altcoins at the top and then they go slam. Let me just show you a little bit over here. I can show you over here, guys. AVAX USDT. You can see that it was over here, $145, and then it tanked and it went down to roughly $8. Our beautiful Solana, you probably heard about Solana before if you are a trader since 2021. You can see even as well here, 260, it went down to roughly $10, guys. They lost 97% of their value. So what you have to do right now is that whenever you are investing in altcoins, whenever you are trading these cryptocurrencies, which completely are, in my opinion, rubbish. They're garbage. There's no use case. They just pretty much, is a pump and dump scheme. You need to be able to learn how to trade them, when to buy and when to sell. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful to kick you to give you a proper kickstart in the world of trading. But if you don't have knowledge, if you're just gonna go and don't study, don't have knowledge, or so don't understand macroeconomic factors, you're gonna get slaughtered in this game. And that's the reason why 97% of traders fail in this profession. But I really hope, with my suggestions, you're going to be able to kickstart in the right way and also be successful.